This feels perfect.
Just us and the sea.
All units, move in. Target is ahead.
Copy that. Flanks are secure.
Good. No mistakes. Captain, current heading is 345. Copy that. Adjust to 350. Adjusting to 350.
All on black.
Feeling lucky? No more bets?
Always.
It's spinning. Here we go.
Best trip we've ever taken. It feels endless. This looks wonderful. Thank you.
You're very welcome. Enjoy.
Thank you. I don't want this trip to end.
It won't. We still have days ahead.
All apartments, this is the captain. Initiate caution protocol. Possible maritime hazard ahead.
What is that?
We need to go. Now. Alarm! Inside, quick!
What's happening? What's going on?
They said emergency circuit.
Full wind power, hard port turn, now, down! Power increasing! Control, Vortex closing, hard port! Pressure spiking, get to the valves! On it! Turn the main valve now! Hurry, it's critical! Oh, watch out! The water's coming in fast! Watch it, it's spilling! I'm on it, get that pot! This side is clear, keep going. Got it, move!